Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Capital One fast setup step by step clearly. To get started with Zelle using your Capital One account, open the Capital One mobile app on your device. Log in using your Capital One username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section of the app. Look for the option labeled Send Money with Zelle. Tap on it to begin the setup process. If you are a new user, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions for using Zelle. Next, select the phone number or email address you would like to use for Zelle transactions. Make sure this is a number or email you have access to. After that, you'll receive a verification code via text or email. Enter the verification code in the designated field. Now your Zelle account is linked with your Capital One account. To send money, go back to the Send Money with Zelle option. Select a recipient from your contacts or enter their email or phone number manually. Input the amount you wish to send. You can also add a brief message or note to accompany the payment. Review your transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, tap Send to complete the payment. The recipient will receive the funds typically within minutes. For added security, keep your app updated and use strong passwords. You are now ready to use Zelle with your Capital One account for quick and convenient payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.